Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your car's system diagnostic menu. So now this only applies to the 2009 to 2014 Nissan Maximas with or without navigation. If you have those screens, the orange, you cannot access it on that particular model. And then also any other Infiniti or Nissan vehicles with or without navigation, you could try it and see if it works on your model. And if it does, put your make and model in the comments below. That way anybody else that watches this video knows it works on their car too. So what you want to do, start the car. Alright, so you want to turn the audio off, turn it on, off, and then press and hold the settings and turn the volume. And boom. So now it brings you to self-diagnostics. So if you push that, and this is pretty much what it could do so far. Now I haven't went through everything yet because it's a lot, but we could try to go through it together. So far everything is pretty much good. GPS antenna, connection is normal. So XM, normal. Control unit, it did not detect any errors. Plus everything's brand new in the car, so you could do color spectrum. Let's see what this does. So that gradient, touch panel collaboration, press enter while touching each point. I'm holding the camera, so I'm not gonna do this. So cancel. Touch panel response, touch the screen. Alright, so I'm not sure. Oh, it's pretty much popping up when I press it. So, white display. So pretty much everything with that. Vehicle signals, vehicle speed off. Now, how to change these, I'm not really sure. Maybe I have to, let me see. So I want to turn traction control off. It doesn't change on here. So on this part, I do not know how to change any of these. Like, I can't do anything. Yeah. So I'm not really sure about that part. So you could do speaker test. Let's see how that goes. So you gotta push enter once you hear the sound coming from where it's telling you from. At least I know I don't got no blown speakers. Alright, so that's that. Navigation. So steering angle adjustment. If you gotta adjust yours, you can adjust it. Everything's new on mine, so there's no point. Speed calibration. So you could do that too. XM status subscription. Oh yeah, I gotta renew it. I did do it, I just didn't put it on here. I got a 3-month free trial. No error history. Diagnostics, everything's okay. So it's checking. gonna take a while. So this is pretty much everything you could pretty much do. And everything's popping up. Let me not do that yet. I do got my Bluetooth on. Correct draw line. Of course, that's fine. You see my kids on the background. Well, 2 of them. Alright. Oh, I didn't mean to click on that. Alright, so XM, delete settings. So if you ever wanted to know how to do it, let me crack open the window. It's 100-something degrees outside. Oh, that breeze felt good. So I'm basically going through everything you could do on the self-diagnostic menu. Alright, so that's pretty much everything you could do on that. So if you didn't know, now you do. So now it's going to reboot, and then it's going to go back to its normal screen. So that's how you access your car's system diagnostic menu, and that's everything you could do once you access that menu. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.